So I ordered a tailgate assist kit from Amazon. So it's supposed to make it easier when you lower the tailgate. It comes with all this, the shock, all the components here to install. This part actually goes into right there. And according to instructions, it needs to be 3/8 from the washer to the end. So part instructions, it needs to be 3/8 from the washer. So it's about 3/8. So we're gonna put this in. Oh, they also said I need to turn about 9 times. That way it's secure. Alright, so now it's done. Then you just remove this bolt with the Allen wrench. Okay, now it's in there. You just use this, put it in the post there, and there's a 13 millimeter. Let's see, I think next is you need to remove this. I think I can do it with one hand. So yeah, you lift this up and then that comes out. Then you need to use this torque screw to remove it. So instead of using the tool that came with the kit, I had 45 torques, so oh, that was easy. So the washer and this bolt. Oh, U17. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, I got it in. There we go. Now you're gonna have to flatten this part, the limiter. What they said is take it off, but you never know. But I could just take it off, I guess. Actually, I just flattened it out. Use the mallet and the magnetic thing, you know, boom. So, well, I guess it's the moment of truth. Alright, so this top goes here and the bottom part goes right there. Okay, so it's in. It's there. I attach that. But it works. So to review, you need a 10 and a 15 for that. Then comes with this tool to remove that, which is actually a T45. I just found it easier to just use a drill bit with the Torx 45, and that came out. And then you use a 17 to secure that. Then you had to smooth out the bump stop there, and of course you attach the shock there and there. That's about it. And oh yeah, we added this here to that, and I use this to get it in there. So.